Alright guys, so just got here and this is Allison's new car right here. This is my car, Allison's new car, and Allison's old car. And yeah, this is it. This is the baddie. This is it.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to move this morning, but I'm sure gonna try.
Look how big the dash is. I'm not a fan of how
sports car.
I'm not a fan.
I forgot.
Mine's a sports edition.
But this is like an actual race car.
Okay. Yay.
Okay, I'm not sure how to back up, so my parking brake is still on.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me buckle up first so I don't die.
There's some poppy hill. So it's, I'm in neutral, so all the way over and down.
Are you going?
Wow.
Is it supposed to be like this?
I can't get out of neutral.
Maybe we should not take this on the road. Are you stuck?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay, so we still need to back up, but I don't have a backup camera. Can you get out?
Oh my gosh.
Am I okay to back up still?
Yeah. You can keep going, keep going. You good? Okay. Getting back in the car now. Oh, I don't know why you bought a manual when you barely know how to drive one. I know how to drive it like a little bit because like I do drive, like obviously I'm a detailer, so like I got manuals.
You gotta say that was pretty good, Clay.
I mean, better than I can do, yeah. I don't think I can reverse. Wait, yeah, I can. I reversed out of my parking spot once. But like I kill it every 2 seconds when I drive it. So you're doing way better than I would do already. Tell her we're in a manual. Hop in, girl. Tell her to hop in.
And then we do need to go into neutral. And then we're gonna go into first.
Oh, we're on the road, guys. We're on the road.
Maybe go into second.
We are humping back and forth a little bit. What time is it? Remember, I do gotta go to work. Does this not even have a time clock in it?
I think we need to go into third. We're going!
What time is it though?
I don't know, I can't look. Hold on. We're fucking moving. I didn't think I could get this thing on the road.
Yeah, we're on the road, guys.
I'm doing pretty good, am I not?
Yeah, no, you're actually doing pretty good. I don't think I want to take this to the highway yet.
Oh, I was gonna drive it to work since I'm doing so good.
I don't know if you should drive it to work. Dad, we've done a lot this morning already. It's only like 8:30. I gotta be to work by 9. She gotta be to work by 10. We've already done a lot today.
I'm actually really proud of myself.
I'm pretty proud of waking up this fucking early.
Come on, I'm in a manual. Oh, you want me to
Yeah,
go?
you can go. Guys, we're stuck. Just go. Yes, we are stuck. Did you just kill it? Did you just kill it?
Sorry.
We're in a manual. She's first time driver. Oh my gosh.
I'm getting pretty good though, am I not?
You're okay. Gotta check out, how do you turn on the, oh. Is that how you do it? Oh, this is how you do it. What the fuck did I just do? Let me expect from upstairs. Oh, well, I don't want that. Oh, we're actually in a pretty, like, nice neighborhood right now.
I'm doing so good.
I don't want people to call the cops on us. Let me check the roof out a little bit. How do I get up there? Oh, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight up here.
I'm doing incredible.
Okay, let me get back down. It's an okay car.
I don't know if I'm in second. I am. It's pretty nice, is it not? I need to connect my Bluetooth still.
This has Bluetooth.
Yeah. It's a 2012. It's the same fucking year as yours, bitch.
Yeah, mine has a.
I think I'm in third, but I'm not sure if I'm
Are
in
you sure it's
fourth.
Bluetooth? Because here's the aux right there.
No, it is Bluetooth. I had his phone was connected when we were driving before. And then clutch in, neutral. Ah! You need to be so proud of me. You thought I couldn't do it, dude.
Yeah, I didn't think you could do it because it's pretty hard to do it. Mostly because like you just learned like 2 days ago. Oh, it's still a little iffy. Where are we going? We gotta slowly head back though because I'm gonna be late. Holy shit, dude! Is this not breaking your car? Oh my god! Someone had to go by. We're dead.
I got.
You're dead right outside of someone's house, and they're all outside.
Okay, I don't know what I did wrong. So I'm in first gear.
God, I'm glowing right now.
Okay, we're going again. It's okay. I don't know what I was doing wrong. I need to switch to second. I thought I'd switch to second. Maybe I went too high and went into sixth. I don't know if I'm ready for that red yet, but we're going.
Well, no, do a circle. Like, just circle right here. Because we gotta be heading back.
Okay.
Mostly how like,
I don't know if I know.
I know we're only like 2 minutes away from your house, but it's probably gonna take a couple minutes. Yeah, buckle up. Stop trying to look good and go get Topper. Get Topper. Get Topper. Get Topper. Toppy, come on, buddy. Yeah. Oh my god, it looks like a squat team happening. God, this might be too high up. Come on, Toppy, get your legs, get your baby legs. Oh wait, I want them to see it. I want them to see it.
Oh, his nail.
He doesn't have nails.
Stop his nail.
I'm not touching him.
Can we get his other arm, please?
Yeah, wait. We gotta get this on him. We gotta get this on him. Hey, you have the camera.
Oh. Hold him up.
Okay, zip that shit. Watch out for his fur.
Topper!
Is he in? He's in. Is he good? This is just me and him hang out. Look, oh, I'm doing some. Oh yeah, hey, look, me and my boy. Me and my boy go hard. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, can I go? Do you think they would what? Do you think that they will like kick me out of Walmart if I go in Walmart like this?
No.
Wait, is he sideways?
No.
I swear Polo and Molly were always sideways.
They were. Okay.
Does he look happy or no? Yeah, he's definitely sideways. What is he doing with his arms? Is that normal? Allison, is he sideways? And is it normal, or does his butt just need a...
Ow,
it's funny. It's funny. There's a tail holder,
No, one
but
of them isn't as tight. It's this side.
it's funny that his tail... That he doesn't have a tail, so there's no tail.
Hold him up. It's too heavy for me to pull.
Wait there. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
He's still sideways. Yeah, he's still sideways.
Okay, let's just go because I don't have all day.
Is it fine? Do you think he's okay?
He's fine.
Okay. How cute does he look? He's just a baby. Watch out, bird. Yep, there's Allison. Me riding my $25 longboard, you your $200 longboard.
Hey, $300.
$300?
Yeah, it's $298.
Yeah, not worth it. We're longboarding, hanging out. We got the pup. He's just enjoying. He's like, what up? It's kind of raining a little bit, sprinkling right now. It feels nice though. So yeah.